Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement products. Today, we have something special to talk about: the Moen Adler 87233SRS Spot-Resist Stainless Sink Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish kitchen upgrade, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on all things kitchen related. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Moen Adler 87233SRS is not just your ordinary kitchen faucet. It's crafted with precision, featuring a spot-resist stainless zinc finish, ensuring it stays looking sleek and fingerprint-free. The Moen Adler 87233SRS is a single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet with a spot-resist finish that resists fingerprints and water spots. It features power clean spray technology, which provides 50% more spray power than most Moen pull-down and pull-out faucets without power clean technology. The faucet also has a reflex, self-retracting hose that automatically retracts from any distance and angle. The Adler faucet is Adler compliant and has a classic style that will look good in any kitchen. It is available in 4 finishes: spot-resist stainless, chrome, matte black, and Mediterranean bronze. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of functionality. The pull-down feature is a game-changer. Whether you're washing dishes or filling up a large pot, the retractable spray wand makes tasks a breeze. The faucet also offers 2 spray modes, providing flexibility for different cleaning needs. One of the standout features of the Moen Adler 87233SRS is the spot-resist technology. Have you ever noticed those annoying water spots on your faucet? Well, worry no more. The spot-resist finish resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping your kitchen looking clean and polished. Here are some of the key features of the Moen Adler 87233SRS Spot-Resist Stainless Zinc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Spot-resist stainless finish. This finish resists fingerprints and water spots for a cleaner-looking kitchen. Power clean spray technology. This technology provides 50% more spray power than most Moen pull-down and pull-out faucets, while containing splash and minimizing mess. Reflex, self-retracting hose. This hose automatically retracts from any distance and angle, making it easy to keep your sink clean. One-handle lever control. This makes it easy to control the water temperature and flow with one hand. High arc spout. This provides ample clearance for filling pots and pans. 360 spout swivel. This gives you the flexibility to reach all areas of your sink. Adler compliant. This faucet meets the Americans with Disabilities Act Adler guidelines for ease of use. Limited lifetime warranty. Moen backs this faucet with a limited lifetime warranty. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Moen Adler 87233SRS Spot-Resist Stainless Zinc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Spot-resist finish resists fingerprints and water spots. Power clean spray technology provides 50% more spray power. Adler compliant. Classic style looks good in any kitchen. Available in 4 finishes. Cons. Some users have reported that the spray head is difficult to switch between stream and spray. The faucet is a bit on the pricey side. Overall, the Moen Adler 87233SRS is a great choice for a kitchen faucet. It is stylish, functional, and easy to use. However, it is important to note that some users have reported that the spray head is difficult to switch between stream and spray, and the faucet is a bit on the pricey side. If you are looking for a stylish and functional kitchen faucet, the Moen Adler 87233SRS is a great option. However, if you are on a budget or you are looking for a faucet with a spray head that is easy to switch between stream and spray, you may want to consider another option. Ultimately, the Moen Adler 87233SRS Spot-Resist Stainless Zinc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet combines style, functionality, and durability. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen experience, this might just be the perfect addition. Check the description below for more details and where to get your hands on one. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more kitchen essentials and upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.